What's up, everyone? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to break down what's happening with SPY, Tesla, and a couple of other tickers. I'm also going to break down what's going on with the market approaching tomorrow as we have some new developments. Let me just mention that I am not a financial planner. Make sure you take nothing I say as financial advice, and then don't forget about the Moomoo link. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed 5 free stocks. Deposit $1,000 and you're guaranteed 15, and the offer ends very soon in just about 9 days from now. Anyways, on SPY, we have a nice inverse head and shoulders like structure that's trying to play out. But look at this resistance at this 555.35 area. That's going to be very close to our 30 minutes 200 EMA. If SPY breaks this going into tomorrow and we hold above this for over at least, I would say, 2 hours or so, I could easily see this trying to fill this imbalance and push into the 558 area. But there's a big but. This could be a trap because when you look at the trend on SPY is actually still on a downtrend overall. Unless we start breaking past like 560, then we could easily start pushing up to fill that gap. But I'm not going to worry about that yet. It's also possible that we reject here and we start dipping all the way back down to fill this gap into the 540s. So I don't know for sure what's going to happen. I'm not going to promise anything. Just because we have an inverse head and shoulders and more indicators are showing upside potential, it doesn't guarantee anything until we break our 200 EMA. And SPY has not done that yet, so I can't really say much quite yet. So watch to see if that ends up being the case. There is a nice set of indicators that suggest upside is prominent, but there's no sign that that's what's happening thus far, that we're going to get a breakout quite yet. We have to wait and see. On the other hand, Nvidia has a nice inverse head and shoulders. It actually favors upside right now. So we're going to be looking to see if we could try to hold above the structure. This actually favors the gap fill up to about 126. This could be more positive for stocks like the QQQ, which are trying to break out right now. We have an inverse head and shoulders on the QQQ as well. If we manage to break past 483, I could be looking for a push for at least 485. That's our 200 EMA, and the inverse head and shoulders will play out. Then we'll see if we reject off 485 or not. If we break that, we'll go even higher. But I do see some more potential upside for the QQQ, at least approaching that level. For Bitcoin, we're looking more bullish, in my opinion. I think that there's a good chance this is going to continue to go a little higher. We could be approaching this 68,500 area. Bitcoin has more potential, just helping the Coinbase. For Aapl, we're looking a little bit in the middle. We failed to hold above 228, only to reject, and we're still trading within this range. So make sure you watch key support at 222. If we lose that, we turn bearish. If we manage to break past 225, we could try to push back up. So far, we're below that, so I do see a risk of this dipping a little bit lower towards 222 all over again. So just be very careful. As far as Tesla goes, we have a nice looking uptrend right over here, and we could be approaching this 254 area. Tesla's looking pretty good with the inverse head and shoulders that's developing, so it favors upside. It looks like it wants to push a little bit higher and to get closer to about 258 approaching its earnings. As long as we hold above the level we're currently at and we don't lose 248, this favors upside, so Tesla's looking a little bit more bullish, and that's actually looking more positive for the bulls. For a few more, I'm going to be kind of quick with this, by the way. IWM is breaking out right now. Got a nice double bottom like structure. We're testing 220.5. That breaks, so we're going up to 222.5. Coinbase is looking a little bit more bullish, trying to break out higher for 265. That breaks. I'll be looking for 268 as the next target, then 272. We're looking more bullish. We'll see if we can try to close above 265 or not. We are favoring upside on coin. Amazon has a nice inverse head and shoulders, but I want to see it break past 185 to turn bullish. If that breaks, 188 is coming. If we fail to do so and we end up losing 182.5, we'll be tipping all the way down towards 181. This is favoring upside, so it's getting tighter and tighter. So we'll have to see if Amazon gets a breakout from here. I'm just going to be very, very patient with this and kind of watch and see this little pennant that's kind of forming right here. So be patient. We're getting tighter, so we'll see how Amazon does. The best thing to do is just be as patient as possible, at least for now. But I do see potentially like a structure developing just like this that could be forming. This could lead to a tightening before we get a big break, so watch for that. On Meta, we're looking more bullish. If we could close above 490, there's more potential for 496 plus tomorrow. If we fail and lose 485, we turn bearish. This is favoring upside nonetheless. Microsoft is looking more bullish. If we break past 444.68, we'll be looking for a bigger pump to fill this gap towards 448. If we end up losing 440, we'll be dipping back down. This actually favors upside a little bit more, but we need to break 444 to turn bullish and remain bullish. Google's also looking more bullish. If we hold above 183.56, it's going to continue to push all the way up to higher levels like 186. It looks bullish. It looks like the market's attempting to break out. I'm going to be patient though. Let's wait and see what happens until close, and just know that we're in a critical place. So we do favor upside, but just to be safe, be very, very patient. Give the market the time it needs, especially approaching tomorrow, and then we'll see how things go from here. With that being said, I want to end the video quickly, give you guys a very, very fast update and kind of continue from this point on. So I'll see you guys in just a couple of hours. Have a great day, guys, and just know the market is favoring upside. It's not guaranteed until we break some key levels, so we'll see how things go approaching tomorrow, but upside is looking a little bit more probable as we're making attempts to break. All right, have a great day, guys, and peace out.